Today we're repairing this Boss GD10 guitar effect unit that has a busted DC input jack. We've checked the power supply and it's working, so it's got to be the jack. Undo all the screws on the bottom of the effect unit and remove the cover plate. The jack is on this circuit board, so we need to undo the screws and the nuts that hold it in place on the outside, along with these 3 screws on the inside. Pull the circuit board out, leave it connected and flip it over. I've ordered the replacement parts from Roland earlier. Now to desolder the jack. I've broken the plastic jack to reveal each of the pins that are soldered to the board. Grab the pin and melt the solder on the other side. Gently pull the pin out and repeat for all the other pins. I've removed excess solder from the board with desolder braid. Now that all the pins have been removed, it's time to remove the structural support for the jack. Now place the new jack on the board and solder all the pins in place. Now put the structural support back in place. And then reassemble the board with the nuts and screws on the outside and the 3 screws on the inside. Replace the bottom cover plate and screw into place. Insert the DC plug into the jack and the power plug into the power outlet. Then turn it on. Good news, we can see the unit boot up. Hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial.